G'day and welcome to Awesome Client Questions. These are questions that I receive on a daily basis from my clients, and I thought it'd be beneficial to provide a bit of, what my feedback is when I'm asked these questions. And the one we have today was a good question around superannuation, and given that the government has changed the rules so many times in recent years, they see that as a real risk and wonder whether superannuation is still worth it. Now, my answer to that is, yeah, I agree that there's a legislative risk with superannuation. There always has been, and the bigger the pool of money, which is becoming, very substantial, the more money that's there, and obviously the balance sheet of the government and the cash flow might be becoming a bit cash strapped. They're always going to be looking at these large sums of money. But the recent changes we've seen that have limited the amount of people that once you're retired and over age 60, the amount of money that you can have in pension mode that is fully tax-free per person is still $1.6 million. So it was unlimited prior to that, and obviously over the years have made it harder to get money in. But with good planning, and if you can get to your retirement with $1.6 million in superannuation for a husband and a wife, so that's $3.2 million that you can have in superannuation, tax-free within the pension environment once you're retired and over 60, and then that pension paid to you is completely tax-free. I would say that while the rule changes are annoying and causes, confusion around what the rules are and worry that there'll be future rule changes, the carrot is still firmly there and gives us plenty of reasons to go in and invest into superannuation, because I can't find a better tax rate than zero, and you as a couple in retirement you're going to have up to $3.2 million completely tax free. Still very attractive. Please remember, this is general advice only, not personal specific financial advice that takes into account your situation. Please read the disclaimer at the end, and thanks for listening. And if you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe button. That'll be great.